Hey, hi. So in this video, we're going to check out this app, VibeShorts. And I myself have been using it for a while. We're going to see how cool it is, the bads and the goods, okay, in the app. Now, for me personally, I've been watching an episode called Bow to a 10-Year-Old Archmage. And it's a very exciting series. It's the one which actually made me subscribe on this VibeShort. Though unfortunately, it seems like it's not complete. It has more than 45 episodes, I think. It's something which I've seen in most of the movies here. Like most of them are not complete. I don't know why. I thought maybe if you subscribe to the full subscription, you unlock more episodes, but some of them the stories are not complete. Okay, that is something that me I've realized. I don't know about you, but it's really good. It's really good that I kind of myself paid to watch some of these videos. It has AI videos also. Some of the stories are AI videos. And for some of you, you have really to check out the werewolf category. I just love the stories which I am aware of. I don't know about you, but there's so many categories that you can choose from. There is fantasy, there's romance, there is hot. But me, I think werewolf is one which is really taking a lot of my attention. Okay, we are also going to talk about the canceling package, canceling your subscription on VibeShort. Now, first of all, it's a bit tricky to cancel it from Google Play Store. I think it's maybe not possible because when you look into the comments, you realize actually most people are complaining about that same thing, that it says to cancel your subscription, do it through the Google Play. Funny thing, it doesn't show up in my subscription area. So I think when you're trying to cancel, it's better to write them an email. I've seen most of the people they kind of you write to service at vibeshort.live. Okay, just make sure like you write to them in time before the next subscription. These games are really good because I rarely see app developers really replying to all these bad reviews. These guys really take time to reply to almost every bad review, and in some cases, even they advise people to kind of contact their card issuing banks to kind of dispute the charge. So these guys are really cool. Okay, I haven't really seen someone an app developer telling advising you to go to your bank to kind of dispute a charge from them, but these guys do that. That's how good these guys are. Every app has a good and bad reviews. That is normal. Almost everything has a bad and good reviews. But generally, these guys are really cool. They have a lot of reviews. They're over 267,000 reviews. But generally, it's a good app. If you're kind of a person who's trying to watch dramas and all that stuff, you have to check out this app. Okay, they have there's Discover. You can really scroll through different series here. There are shorts. Okay, you can try to. It's an app which you can even pay without. You can use with. I myself, I think I took like it took me like I think a week without really paying for anything until actually I came across that bow to a 10-year-old archmage. I thought maybe if I pay, I'll finish all the episodes. Okay, so generally, it's really good. It's a good app. You can use it even without subscribing, but I really advise you to log in with your Facebook or Gmail so that you can keep track of your list and all that stuff. Otherwise, if you don't log in, you may have issues and you can't really retrieve some of the things in this app. Okay. So see you in the next video. Let me know what you think about VibeShort, and I'll see you in the next video. They have settings, account info. This way you can try to kind of unboard, disconnect your Facebook and Google from the app. Okay. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.